How was it?
Pait. How is it? How is it?
Dark roast.
Mapait lang yun.
Dark roast coffee.
Pa-dark roast.
Medyo dark roast pero fruity.
May pa-dark roast. Mapait lang yun eh. Ito.
Nakagising. Nakagising ng diwa.
Caramel ba?
Caramel mocha to. Mocha.
Ang tamis. Hindi.
Para masarap siya ihalo.
Masarap ng ice cream.
Kailangan mo rin ng straw dito.
Okay na yan. Tara na, let's go. Bye-bye.
Kailangan mo rin straw.